All right, let's welcome our next speaker for Decoder, Jeffrey and Cheryl.
You just have to scroll. Yeah, just scroll down. For some reason, you can't full screen right now.
Hi everyone, we are going to talk about Decoder and why is the component important. The decoder can translate the instructions into a machine language and that the CPU can understand, and at this point the CPU really understands what to do. And a decoder is a multi-input, multiple output combinational logic circuit, and it is responsible for translating binary code into a specific object. And this is a simple example of a 2x4 line binary decoder consisting of an area of 4 AND gates, and each output represents one of the minterms of the 2 input variables. And this is the truth table on the left, and decoder is the basic gate of indexing.
Ooh. So in our processor, we need the 6x64 decoder. And first, to get this, we build 2 basic components that we will use to build the 6x64 decoder. The first one is the basic one that we learned from class. And the second one is simply add one more input and generate the 8 output of it. The gate delay for each is 3. And from the very rough diagram, we can see that the decoder starts at the left with 2 3x8 decoders, and you can imagine that there are 6 inputs at the very left. And the second layer, we got 8 2x4 decoder, so that it can generate 32 output from the 16 input from the first layer. And then with more 2x4 decoders, we can generate 64 output that we need from the 32 input. We did 8 test cases for the 8 different instructions that we'll later on implement to on the processor. And note that this output will be used for the read-only memory to decide the output of the read-only memory. Oh, madam. Oh, that's all.
All right. So, any questions, guys? Go ahead.
I might have missed it. Was this structural or data flow structure?
It's structural.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, because you notice the AND gates,
Yes.
so that would make it structural.
Exactly what I was thinking.
You're also talking about gate delays, which is a key note of structural.
Right. Yes. So scroll up to the different decoders you put together. All right. So that's this. I find this interesting. So you have two 3x8 going into multiple 2x4s going into another set of 2x4s. Okay. And then you wire them all together. Okay. How that's good. This works. Good job. I'm just curious where you got this idea or this design from, where you were just trying to piece it together.
I calculate in my head that the output, the total output, will be the amount I need.
Okay, great. Yeah, I've not seen it done this way yet. That definitely works. No, it works. This will work. Most of the time, I see like one giant long list of AND gates, and it takes a while, but this is interesting because it breaks it out. Has a nice cool left to right flow to it. I wonder what the gate comparison would be between the two. But anyways, any other questions? Okay, no, that was a good job.
Thank you.